right, I'll help you with this last problem today, number 6. We have an equation written in slope-intercept form, and we need to turn it into standard form. With standard form, we can notice that the x and the y are on the same side, and I want to remind you that this a always has to be positive, okay? That's going to be the last thing we're going to have to check. So the first thing, to get that x on the same side, I need to move it from this side over to join the y. Moving, again, is opposite. So this is a plus 4x, so I need to minus 4x from both sides. So it looks like I have a minus 4x plus, because there was nothing written here, y equals, don't forget to bring down, minus 3. A lot of kids forget to bring down that negative. Now, my next step I'm going to do in blue. I have this equation here, and I'm going to look. X and y are on the same side. That was the first thing I needed to do. But I need to look, is that number in front of the x positive? The number in front of the x, this is my a. Right now it's a negative 4. That is not positive. So I need to take everything and multiply it by a negative 1. So I'm put a negative 1 parentheses, and I'm just rewriting my whole equation here. Okay, now I need to distribute or multiply everything. Negative 1 times negative 4x will become a positive 4x. Negative 1 times a positive y will become a negative y. And I still have to distribute to that last part. Negative 1 times a negative 3 will become a, oops, forgot to switch here, a positive 3. So I want you to notice something. I'm going to highlight it in pink. All of our signs changed. Was negative, now it's positive. Was positive, now it's negative. Negative, positive. So all of our signs actually changed. So our final answer, I'll rewrite it here, is 4x minus y equals 3. X and y are on the same side, and the number in front of the x is positive. All done.